Yo, what's up, guys? I hope you're all doing good today. Today is Wednesday, March 13th, and we're going to do a recap on the indices. So, going into the day, we had PM session, high impact news at 1 p.m., and no news in the AM. So, knowing this, it would have. My guess was that it was probably going to be a little choppy, possibly seek and destroy. So, we have this 4-hour BISI right here. Price tapped into in the PM session during the high impact news, and this helps my buys for tomorrow for it to continue because it just wicked into it, didn't close over it for a higher push into this prior week highs tomorrow or Friday. So going to the 1 hour here, we have this 1 hour BISI Asia low, tapped into it when market opened, and I took my trade within this. So we go down the 5 minute. We see Asia low right here. We're in the 5 minute or the 1 hour BISI, respecting it. All we're doing is just wicking it. So that's a pretty good bullish indicator for me. So I saw this. My entry was off this 5 minute inverse fair value gap. Price closed over this inverse fair value gap right here in this candle at 1025. We have this 5 minute order block right here. Put my entry right here at the opening of this inverse fair value gap, and targeting this low-hanging fruit up here for 8 points for a 2R. Just got chopped out. I mean, like I said, I knew there's going to kind of be bad price action today, and possibly seek and destroy conditions. So I shouldn't have traded, but I didn't trade yesterday, so I kind of had I just had an urge to trade, which is a bad thing. You don't want that. So lesson learned. So pretty much, yeah, so we go to the 4 hour. My fault. Go to the 4 hour. We do end up tapping back into this 4 hour BISI, and we were continuing higher after that in the PM session. We go to the 50 minute. We do have a good reaction off of it. Look at this. Perfect price action. Perfectly. Bodies perfectly closed over this consequent encroachment, right, of this 4 hour BISI perfectly closes over it. So that tells us that price. That's a really good indicator right there when it's that perfect. That price action will continue higher, and that's exactly what happened. And tomorrow, expecting for price to once again hit this prior week's high, or maybe even Friday. So going on Nasdaq, we saw that the Asia low and the high were taken before New York session. And usually that indicates that there is going to be seek and destroy conditions during the AM session. And that was just another indicator for me that it was probably going to be a little choppy. Again, trade, it was dumb. Not going to do that again. But we were still looking pretty bullish. We just got chopped out. We had this equilibrium right here, marked from this low to this high. Tapped into equilibrium. Body once again, body closed over or closed below it or above it, but wicked into the discount, which is a good bullish indicator right here. It took these, let's see right here. Yeah. It took these sell stops right here, took those people out, and then also hit this 1 hour order block. And it just kind of chopped around a little bit, expecting higher prices tomorrow. Because we have a lot of news tomorrow, 8:30. So tomorrow should be a good day. Should possibly make some red, possibly. So go on the Dow Jones. We have this 4 hour BISI right here. That price came into at 2 p.m. Once again in the PM session, didn't really do much but expand. It was price is a lot cleaner price action this morning on the Dow Jones compared to the other indices. But yeah, it just kind of shot up, which is good. Shot up PM, came down, tapped into this Asia low as well as this 4 hour BISI, and we're gonna have this is a good indicator right here of bullish price action continuing higher. We do have mark this. These did not work. We do have a 6 sister. And a 6 sister is pretty much when one pair is in front of the others. So we have Dow Jones right here. That this is the Friday high from last week. The prior week high that we took out on Tuesday. So this Dow Jones took out the prior week high. S&P hasn't, and NASDAQ hasn't, right? So far this is a sixth sister. We're expecting from all the high time frame order flow, we are expecting price to continue to push higher on ES and NASDAQ. So this can be a sixth sister where we expect price to pretty much go up, and for them to be pretty much lagging behind Dow Jones. And if not, if we don't find support at high time frame levels on ES and NASDAQ, then we can expect a possible reversal, and the sixth sister end up being an SMT. But yeah, that's pretty much my 2 cents. 4 hour, tapped in this 4 hour SIBI, kind of just dropped from there. Still targeting this original consolidation on the daily. Huge market maker sell model. I mean, it's perfect. So yeah, so that's pretty much my my recap today. If y'all enjoyed today's video, drop a like, and yeah, have a good day.